Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to dive into LangChain, a cutting-edge language learning platform designed to cater for learning of all levels, from the beginner to the advanced user. Whether you're taking your first step in a new language or aiming to refine your existing skills, LangChain offers a comprehensive and user-friendly experience that adapts to your individual pace, goals, and pricing. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us get in. So the first thing we are going to have a look at is some of the products that LangChain offer. So LangChain's product lineup is tailored to provide a holistic language learning experience. LangChain, the flagship product, offers a diverse range of courses covering various languages and proficiency levels, while LangSmith is a personalized tutoring service, connects learning with experienced language instructors for a one-on-one guidance and support experience. Having a look now at LangServe. LangServe is the professional language service arm of LangChain, which caters to businesses and individuals seeking translation, interpretation, and language consulting services of the highest quality. Let's have a look at some of the methods that LangChain uses. Now, at the core of LangChain's success are its innovative and effective language learning methods. Through a blend of interactive lessons, real-world applications, and gamified exercises, LangChain ensures that learners encouraged with the language in a meaningful and practical way are inspired. By incorporating elements of immersion and cultural text, LangChain creates an immersive learning environment that accelerates language acquisition and retention. Let's explore some of the resources over here. Now, as you can see, LangChain goes beyond the traditional language learning resources by offering seamless integrations that enhance the overall learning experience. Through integrations with popular tools and platforms such as language exchange apps, virtual reality simulations, and AI-powered language assistants, LangChain provides learners with a diverse set of resources to practice, engage, and immerse themselves in the language that they are studying. These integrations not only supplement the core learning materials, but also offer innovative ways to reinforce language skill and cultural understanding. By leveraging technology and strategic partnership, LangChain ensures that learners have access to a comprehensive suite of resources that cater to their individual learning preferences and goals. Let us talk about their community. Joining the LangChain community opens doors to a world of language enthusiasts and learners eager to connect, share experiences, and support each other on their own language learning journey. Through forums, group activities, and virtual events, LangChain fosters a sense of belonging and collaboration, creating a dynamic and engaging environment where learners can interact, practice, and grow together. Now I know what everyone is thinking, what does this all cost? Well, LangChain offers a range of flexible pricing options to accommodate diverse learning needs as well as budgets. From free trials on the left-hand side over here that allow users to explore the platform's features, to subscription plans that unlock premium content and personalized services. LangChain ensures that learners can choose a pricing model that align with their goals and their preferences. With transparent pricing, as you can see, structures and value-packed offering, LangChain makes quality language learning accessible to absolutely everyone. Now, if you want to get involved with LangChain, all you need to do is sign up and you can go ahead and start using it to your advantage. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you do have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section below. If there was a section of the process that I missed. If you would like to know more about LangChain, you can go ahead and leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you, and we will see you in another amazing video. Cheers for now.